My name's John Snedeker. I'm the Chief of Operations here at Lasara Medical Group. Congratulations on starting testosterone replacement therapy. In this video, I'm going to show you what's going to be shipped to you in your TRT package. Then I'll explain to you how to measure and administer your own dose in the comfort of your own home. Your testosterone replacement therapy program is going to be shipped to you in the mail directly to your home. It'll arrive in a package looking something of this size, and it will have all of your supplies, including your medication, in the box. The package is going to include your testosterone cypionate. On the outside of the medicine bottle, you will see your prescribed dose of what your injection should be either once or twice a week. Inside the bottle will be the vial of testosterone cypionate. The vials are either going to be 10 milliliter or 5 milliliter in size, depending upon what your unique dose is. For your injection supplies, you'll have your syringes, 2 different size needles. One will be for drawing up the medication, the other will be for injecting the medication. Alcohol prep pads for cleaning off the top of the vial and cleaning off your injection site. Now let's talk about how to prepare and administer your first testosterone injection. First, it's important to note that hygiene is a critical component to your testosterone replacement therapy program. Be sure that you have properly washed your hands with water and soap, and make sure that the area you're using to prep the medication is also clean. To prepare a brand new vial of medication, first you'll want to remove the silver top that is blocking the rubber plunger. This rubber top you can toss in the recycle. Next, you will use an alcohol prep pad to clean the top of the vial. You can rub the top of the vial thoroughly and then allow for the vial to dry. While that's drying, you can prepare your syringe for injecting. Syringes and needles can only be used one time. With the syringe, there will be a stopper on the end of it. You can twist this off. Next, you'll reach for your drawing needle. In this example, we are using a 20 gauge drawing needle. Drawing needles can also be 18 gauge, even up to 21 gauge. The smaller the number on the gauge actually means the larger the diameter is of that needle. We use needles with a larger diameter for drawing up this medication because testosterone is a high viscosity. It's very oily, so it makes it easier to draw the medication into the syringe. These needles simply twist onto the syringe. Next, you will draw air into the syringe based on the dosage that you've been prescribed. For this example, we'll be drawing 100 milligrams of testosterone into the syringe, which would be 0.5 milliliters. Press the needle through the rubber topper of the vial. Flip upside down, press the plunger in to push air into the vial. And now you can draw the medication back to the 0.5 or your prescribed dose. Remove the syringe. You can then reapply the cap to the needle by scooping it up off the table, press it down, and twist the needle right off. Here you can now switch to the injection needle. For this example, we're using a 25 gauge injection, which is going to be one of the more common size needles for injecting. Just like the first needle, you can twist the needle directly onto the syringe, remove the plastic wrapping, and now you're ready to inject. Next, we're gonna talk about how to do your intramuscular injection in the comfort of your own home. I have Cody with me, who's a performance product specialist here at Lasara Medical Group, and we're gonna use him as an example. Intramuscular injections are done in 3 common locations. The first is gonna be the delt of the shoulder, the next option is the glute, and the third is your thigh. Cody is gonna walk us through his process of how he does his injection in the glute. For Cody's injection, his first step is to use an alcohol prep pad to clean off the injection site. Whether you are injecting the glute, the delt, or the thigh, it's always important to have good cleanliness prior to your injection. After cleaning off the injection site, let the area air dry and reach for your needle. Prior to injecting, you can flick the syringe to release any air bubbles to the top, then press the plunger back to push the air bubbles out. If you pinch the muscle, this will actually keep you from experiencing pain with the injection. Once you're ready to inject, press the needle directly in at a 90-degree angle, then press the plunger down. After all the medication has been pressed into the muscle, draw the needle out of the skin. You can then recap the needle on the syringe and clean off the injection site with your alcohol prep pad. We hope this information was helpful to you in starting your testosterone replacement therapy program. As always, we are here to be a resource to you. If you have any questions at all, reach out to us directly by calling or texting our office phone number, or watch some of the other informational videos we also have on our website.